Hello everyone, I'm Sandy, and here I will start my presentation. My research paper is about the role of women in the modern society. Here is my agenda, and I will go through the research purpose, methodology, results, discussions, limitations, and conclusion. And here comes my research purpose. My research purpose is to explore the change of women's role nowadays and also to discover if women nowadays have a higher status than men in a love relationship. And when it comes to my methodology, I use the online questionnaire, and I have 97 respondents for my questionnaire, and there are 45 females and also 51 males. And they are all students in college or graduation school. And I found three main results according to my questionnaire. The first one is women have higher status than men in a love relationship. And the second one is it is acceptable for women to dominate in sex. The third one is most people believe that herbivore men and carnivore women is normal and acceptable in the society. According to those results, I also have 3 discussions. My first discussion is about women's status in a love relationship. Women may use gender equality to ask men for procedure, which means that women turn their weakness into a weapon to get privilege. Gender equality somehow seems to become a tool for women to reverse their position and obtain higher status in a love relationship. Besides, modern women also play the initiative role. And my second discussion is about the sex role of modern women. We can find in the result that although 84% of people agree that men should be the leader in sex, however, there are also 84% of the people agree that it is acceptable for women to play the leading role. This interesting finding shows that although the concept that man should be the dominator was still in people's mind, however, the concept of women being the dominator has become more acceptable for most people. I think it is the process of feminism invading patriarchy, since people are changing their value gradually, and this phenomenon could also be viewed as the primary step of gender role exchange. And my third discussion is about the role exchange of men and women. People nowadays held a more positive attitude toward the role exchange of men and women. The role exchange phenomenon not only showed that people nowadays could respect the diversity of the society, but also explained the new interaction of modern men and women. And through the research paper, I encountered 2 limitations. The first one is the low reliability. I obtained a low reliability when I was using SPSS. Thus, I excluded 3 items because not everyone is eligible to answer them. And after excluded the 3 items, I got 0.6 in the reliability, which is a qualified one. And the second limitation is that some outcome of my questionnaire is contrary to the previous study. I think it is because I included some sensitive questions about sex. Maybe some of my participants may not have sex experience, so they are not able to answer the question. Finally, my conclusion for the research paper is based on these findings, the researcher proposes some suggestions for men and women. And for men, they are encouraged to adjust themselves to the new trend and respect the women. And for women, they are encouraged to express themselves and take the chance to play the leading role, such as being shy of pursuing men and having sex. Besides, since women have more power in a love relationship, they should cherish what they have but do not overuse it and create a win-win situation for the relationship between men and women. This is the end of my presentation. Wish you all have a nice summer vacation. Thank you.